I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at Flonase over-the-counter allergy medication, allergy relief medication. So this is fluticasone propionate or propionate. I'm not even sure exactly how to pronounce the name of it, but most people call it by the brand name Flonase. And what you're getting here is a spray, basically, a nasal spray. And it's 50 micrograms per spray, so that's the original prescription strength. This was originally a prescription medication, now it's available over the counter. And Flonase says that it's used to relieve all different allergy symptoms. So congestion, but also itchy and watery eyes and other things that would be associated with seasonal allergies. It's 144 sprays from this, and the dosing information says to use 1 to 2 sprays in each nostril per day. So just follow the dosing instructions that they have. It's on the side here. 1 spray per nostril for children. And there's full instructions that come with this for exactly how to use it. But basically, it's a nasal spray, and Flonase says that it's effective to prevent seasonal allergies or to relieve the symptoms associated with seasonal allergies.